Hello everyone. This video explains the step-by-step procedure to submit the IEEE copyright form through Microsoft CMT. A copyright submission is a mandatory activity for all the accepted IEEE papers. Without the copyright form, the paper will not be processed for conference proceedings and IEEE Explore submission. Let's see like how we have to do the IEEE copyright form submission in CMT portal. So we have to log in with the same mail ID and password that we have submitted the paper. I have created a sample paper for the demo purpose. So I'm just logged in with my CMT portal, and in the dashboard we have to select the conference in which we have to submit our IEEE copyright form. So I'm just selecting a conference. Here you just see for all the accepted paper, if the conference organizers are enabled the final camera ready submission and IEEE copyright form, you could see these two options. So one thing, like before submit IEEE copyright form, we have to make sure like all the details of our paper title, abstract and list of author are accurate. To do any modification or changes, you can just right click on camera ready submission. Here you can check the paper title. Even the title should be as same as in the paper, like it should be on the sentence case, it should not be any all caps, and you can verify the abstract and list of authors, like author name, all the authors listed in the paper in the same order. We have to include all the author with correct affiliation so that it will be reflected in our IEEE copyright form. So hope you have all the details ready, like it is updated. Once it is updated, we can go to this option, submit IEEE copyright form. You just click IEEE copyright form. It will show the option like click here to redirect IEEE copyright website. If you are not yet submitted, you can click here. If you already submitted, you can download the submitted PDF by using this option. So I'm not yet submitted the copyright form, so I'm just clicking. So this is redirecting to IEEE copyright website. So in some browser, the redirect may not be occur gradually, like any pop-up issue. So you can just, if you face any issues, you can just use incognito mode or change your browser. So this is the e-copyright form website. So we can just click start. This is the step 1. Then it will automatically take you, like bring all the paper ID, title, list of authors from the Microsoft CMT. So this is what I said, like we have to update all the author details there. If it is updated there, it will be automatically populated here. So we have to verify and we can click next. Then here also it will list all the author names and the title. Still, if you found you need to change anything, we can edit here and we can update. If you want to change anything, we can edit and update. Since we already we have done in Microsoft CMT, we can leave as such. So next we have to click continue. It will go to next step. Here it will say the IEEE plagiarism policy. So we have to agree the step, like all the paper content is original and we are not plagiarized any of others work. So this is says like the originality of our research work. Then if you click next, it will ask you like whether the IEEE has a permission to use video audio recording. I suggest give yes option. We have to grant the permission to IEEE to see and view our presentation. So next thing is like here this page reflect our copyright ID, like whatever we have done for uh, camera ready submission, same. This is based on our country or the institute we affiliated. if your work is funded any of the thing like UK or any of the trust listed here, you have to select corresponding. So I don't have any, so I'm just selecting not affiliated with any group of this list, and I'm clicking next. The third step, we have to select our employer. Like I am not employed with US, Europe or UK countries, so I am just selecting none of the above. If you want to choose anything related to you, you can just choose that. Then this is the final page where your copyright is almost ready. Here what you have to do is you have to just scroll the copyright form. So in the last we can have an option like please type your name to sign. So here we have to type the corresponding author, whoever is submitting the copyright, they have to type their name and they have to click confirm. So if you confirm, it will submit, like your copyright will be submitted to the page. So either you can directly download here or you can go back. So if you download here, you can get the PDF. That PDF we can able to upload in our CMT. So I just came back. Here you have to just log in again, like submit copyright. Since you already submitted, even if you click again, it will show like the copyright is already transferred. You see the page is loading. See, it will say clearly like already the copyright form is submitted. So already we have the copyright form ready, like it is the e-copyright form with all the guidelines and who is signed and where a date and time, everything will be displayed here. We have to just drag and drop. I suggest rename this with your paper ID, for example 2065 hyphen copyright form. Just rename and upload. So you can upload and you can save. That's it. We have successfully submitted IEEE e-copyright form. Thank you.